Alright, so once you have your money and you're making it really decently and you're having a good time with it, you're going to want to know where to put your money after it's done. So, there's basically 2 to 3 places where you can put it. You can put it in a bank account, a high interest bank account. That is my least favorite option, but cash is on hand and readily available at all times. Mortgages, house, everything. So mortgages are basically, you used to get a mortgage for a house. You put 20% down payment on it, then you sell it for, I don't know, like $200,000 more. Now you made $200,000 on a 20% down payment, which means you had a let's just say you bought a house for $100,000 and you had a 20% down payment. You had 20% you had 20% in the money. So then after that you have it starts to push up again. The market starts to push up again. You now have 80% leverage. So if it goes up 1% for you, it'll go up no, if it goes up 1% for from the house, you'll make 8 times that, basically. No, 80 times that. Just because you have 20% leverage. And what I mean by leverage is you only have 20% of your money in, but you're taking the returns from $100,000 worth of cash. All right, so let's just say you sold your house for $100,000 more. You made $100,000 off of a $20,000 buy-in, which is insane. All right, so that doesn't happen that much, but is a very, very good choice of investment because real estate never goes down. Only if you like, real estate never goes down if you like, if you just keep it in there. If you just keep it in there, never goes down. Now you can refinance, which is basically like taking money out of a bank account. Yeah, so pretty decent stuff. And then long-term broad market ETFs like SPY, QQQ, and just overall really basic stuff. Or you could diversify and go with companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, get all those people in there, Amazon, just everyone you want, and then spread it out some broad market ETFs, and boom, now you have a solid place that is investment-wise, and you have made money. All right? And that's how you secure it, and that's how it grows for a long time. Also, fourth one, bonus round, Roth IRAs. Roth IRAs are pretty much the best thing you save for retirement. You pay taxes when you put the money in, not when you take it out, which is really good. So yeah, very, very decent. So thank you.